Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. In this video we will see how to use the yum provide command in CentOS 7 and Red Hat in Linux. So when you will open the terminal and let's suppose you want to search for a package containing a certain file, then you can use yum provide and then enter the path of the file. So if you want to do this operation, then write yum, then write provides, then enter the path of that file, then execute it. After that it will show you the name of the package which contain that file. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.